You have been posting on YouTube for the past month and you notice that you are having low views, no views at all, no subscribers. YouTube has not been pushing your videos to the right audience. This might be the reason why this is so. So I need you to watch this video from the very beginning to the very end, because I'm going to be providing you a very solution to your problem. Why YouTube has not been pushing your video to the right audience. Now let's get straight into the video without further ado. The number one reason why YouTube has not been pushing your video, or why you think your channel is shadow banned, is because you did not verify your channel. Yes, I know many people feel, okay, there's money in content creating, let me quickly open a new YouTube channel and let me start uploading. No, it's not like that. Do not do that. That's not how it works here on this YouTube street. You need to verify your channel, so YouTube will know that you, as a creator, you are not a robot. Because one thing YouTube hates and dislike a lot is a robotic action, like people a robot action. That's why you see that when most people buy subscribers or buy likes, YouTube don't do well on that video, the algorithm don't do well on that video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can verify your YouTube channel. Yes, using your mobile number from any country at all. I mean, from any country at all. So we are going to be heading straight to our dashboard, and from there, I'm going to put you through on how you can do it. All you need to do for me is to please subscribe to this channel, let me like this video, and let me know if you're a victim of this in the comment section, and let me know if you try out this particular method. Trust me, it's going to work for you and you'll see changes in your channel. That being said, let's get right into my dashboard. Hello everyone. So to verify your YouTube channel, there are two methods to this. So go by method one first. So you come to your Chrome browser. This is how mine is looking like. Alright. So right now I'm going to click on the search bar and search for YouTube. Oh god, I didn't spell it that well. How do I clean? YouTube.com slash verify. So I'm just going to click on go. All right. So as you can see here, it will automatically tell you that your YouTube channel is verified. All right, because YouTube and Google and Chrome, everything are the same family. And once you log in your Gmail on your phone, it's going to be accessible by the by the Google family. So this is method one. My phone number here is verified, and my account, I mean, I've input my phone number on my account and it's verified. So this is method one. Now let's move to method two. Hello guys, welcome to the second phase of the video. So in this second video, I'm going to be teaching you the second method, how you can verify your YouTube channel. I mean, if you haven't verified your YouTube channel at all, I mean, you just open your YouTube channel and you haven't done anything about verification. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do that. So right now, this is my YouTube dashboard from my Chrome browser. So I need to access my desktop site. So right now, just click on these three dots. All right, I'll click on these three dots. Then I'll scroll down. I will say request a desktop site, which I'm going to request. All right, and it's definitely going to bring me here. So this is what my desktop site is looking like right now. So right now I'll click on this my little picture here. I'll click on my picture. because I actually want to access my YouTube studio. So I'll click on this little picture, then I'll click on my YouTube studio. Oh shit. I meant to click on the YouTube studio, not signing out. Okay, fine. So guys, we're here. We're here. So right now I'll click on the setting button. Alright. Then you click on your channel. Now after you have clicked on your channel, you click on feature eligibilities, right? Now I'm going to be showing you why it is important for you to verify your number. So we have step 1, step 2 and step 3, right? So we are going to be clicking on this number 2, all right? Let me click on it. Mind you, this is a new let me switch my phone. So this is a new account that I've not done any verification at all on it. So I'm going to click on verify phone number. All right. So after I've clicked on verify phone number, you will see this. Verifying your phone number lets you access additional features on YouTube and help us make sure you're a real YouTube creator and not a robot, sorry. So this will actually verify you, is two in one, right? It will verify your account, so you'll be able to access additional features on YouTube, and most importantly is going to verify you that you're a true YouTube creator and you are not a robot. This is why I said it is a must and it is very important you verify your phone number. So right now, as you can see, I'm in Nigeria. So I'm just going to type my number here. All right. If I'm inputting my number, I'm going to input my number here. And from this place, you can access all the whole countries. Every country that uses YouTube, you have access to it here. So you just look for your country code for your country, and automatically it's going to bring out your country code and you input your number. So for us Nigerians, I would advise that you use an MTN line. Alright. I've tried using Airtel, Glo and Airtel, Glo Airtel and Glo in particular, they are not going. Maybe you have been trying to verify your account and you are not able to. Kindly use an MTN number to verify your number, and trust me, it's going to go. So after you have input your number here, you are going to then click on the next and you receive an OTP number, an OTP code on that number that you use as an SMS. After you have received that, you copy the code and you paste it here, then you'll be verified. So this is how you go about verification on YouTube.